So today I'm going to be reviewing the Kochnors Gravity USB rechargeable salt and pepper grinder. Let's see what it can do. In this pack of the Kochnors grinders, you get 2 grinders, one for salt, one for pepper. You also get 2 chargers and a spoon. It also comes with a manual and also a brush to use to clean the grinder. So this grinder comes with 2 hours of grinding without charging. You get 4 pieces of the external recharging batteries, and it's also dust-proof storage. The grinder comes with a USB port to charge it and get 2 hours of non-rechargeable, and then you have the on button and the off button right over here. To open it up, you just slide it upwards like this, and you can pop open the cover. So once you put your peppercorn inside, you can proceed to closing up that area the same way, like that, and then you're ready to grind. So when you want to grind, you have to turn it on by slipping it upwards. So as soon as the peppercorn touches the top, it starts grinding without me even doing anything. So you can see how easily this grinds. And it has an LED light where you can see it grinding the right way. Pepper is grinded really nicely, really finely, and it's absolutely amazing. I absolutely love this and how well it works.